Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Studio. I have here finally finished the Accordion Tim Holtz themed inspired journal. I just had such a fantastic time putting this together. Um, I have included a tie to wrap around it, but I don't know if it's really necessary because the journal does lie flat, even though there's quite a bit in it. And the accordion part of that description comes from the spine. The spine is made into an accordion type of arrangement so that as I put stuff in it, the spine expands. It's really a nifty design. I love this design of a journal. On the front here, there is a pocket for a journaling space. I've used mainly Tim Holtz paper throughout. Here is some Tim Holtz cloth with some vintage buttons, and this is a detachable charm that has a piece of vintage jewelry along with a really old key on the end of that. And over here is a collage, a little bit of a feather to match the feather in her cap. And we'll get started on the inside. So on the first page here, I have two tags, and each of these tags have been collaged. And I put like some flowers in there, and they fit into these pockets, these windowed pockets. These are magnetized pockets here that look like little briefcases. Inside here are some digital cards, playing cards, really cute. And in the back are some more little cards for journaling on. Same down here behind this little pocket. And inside here, the field label ephemera, I went ahead and put in some botanical cards. I thought that was appropriate to put into this pocket here. And then on the back of that page are two envelopes that wrap over this piece of elastic that's been put in with some grommets there. And inside each of these envelopes is just a piece of tea stain paper, you know, for writing on, or it's just a plain paper. And I tuck that in the back. And then on the front is a vellum frame, and this little lovely lady comes out. This little tag here. A little bit of collaging on the side, and down here is the same arrangement, only it's with the gentleman, and that comes out like so. Okay, some more collaging. So those are the two, and it has the tea stain paper in it as well. So here is a pocket, and it has two altered. Well, they're made into, it's craft paper made into a little file folder, and I have dry embossed one side of them. And inside this one is a little pocket with just a little piece of paper tucked in there for journaling if you would like. And so that's that one there. And this one is another file folder with some gears on the outside, and on the inside it's plain for some journaling. And there's that file folder. There's a piece of cloth down here that holds this pocket in, and I've done stitching throughout most of this journal actually. And here is a window envelope with some collaging, a little fabric collage. And here is this bicyclist. On this side of that is a tuck spot, and I have a couple of digital postcards tucked inside. And here's the collaging for this, and that card that fits inside that pocket can come out with a digital cabinet card and such. Okay, I'll put that in later. And then in this side pocket is an envelope, but I've not glued it because I thought perhaps the recipient would like to write on the inside of that. And so I left that open, and then another envelope. And inside there is a tea stain piece of paper with a receipt printed on it, and it goes inside there. And there's plenty of room for more memorabilia in these pockets for sure. And so the next 3 pages are divided up into 2 pockets, and the top pocket will have a journaling card as such, and a tab, and then the side pocket will have a journaling card like so. And So the next few pages will have these 2 pockets in the side. Here is a CD envelope, a little bit of cloth collaging down there. And this lovely lady slips out this way. And you may want to put your own photo in there. And there's plenty of room here. I always like to leave some blank space in the journals I make so that the person can, personalize it with their own. Love this little photo. These happy little guys, aren't they just sweet? And so this is a journaling card that slips out too. I won't take it out, but that is a card. And this is not magnetized, but these are metal hardware, and it causes the flat to sit down nicely, so it didn't have to be magnetized. And inside here is journaling space. And there is a pocket behind here. If you want to put something kind of secret and stick it in behind there, you can do that. And again, we have the top and the side journaling cards. Another blank space. And in this flip pocket, also put in with cloth, are 2 more tags sitting in here. And here's a family. And that goes inside here. Oops. We'll get that opened here. Probably should not just keep on going, not put them back. There. And here's a pocket. And I got this from, it was from a book that had old-time photos in it. And this just really went, I think, so well with this whole setup. And here are 2 altered tags I put in here. One with a lady and the other one with this gentleman. And some cloth stapled at the top there. And again, we have the side pocket and the upper pocket, and then this one I put in a charm with a key and a gear. And this charm is removable as well as the one on the cover. They're both removable. Back here is a embossed flip up here to kind of mimic those old time cabinet card covers that photos used to come in. And here's a wedding picture. And in the back are 2 more journaling cards just stuck in the back like so, and one up here in the pocket behind there. Now behind this policy envelope is the journal part, and we have a little journal here in the back. It looks like a real leather book. It's a digital from the Graphics Fairy, but really like how that turned out. I made elastic on the spine so that these papers can be removed and refilled again. And what's in here right now is mainly tea stain paper and a couple of vintage papers and that sort. And that just fits inside here. Oh, and I put a tuck spot up here. I'd forgotten all about that. Yep, here's a tuck spot sitting up beside there. And we come down to the last page, and I have a vellum piece that flips up. I just thought it was pretty to have that over whatever you put in here. Here is a digital postcard, but this is definitely put anything in here. You can put a photograph in here or your own papers. And this comes down. Here is a collaged side of this pocket and a card that you can alter as you would please. Be pleased to do so. And like I say, these pockets do have room, plenty of room for more to go in there. And here is a vellum or glassine envelope with a journaling card there. And a little bit of collaging at the bottom. So here on the last page, I have a clip. And this is a notepad that comes out with paper. And these are brads that you can remove and refill with more paper once you get these used up. I just love these little, look like little screws, don't they? They're so cute. And that clips in the back, and there's room to clip other things too in the back if you would like. And that's the back cover. So that is the journal. I love this so much. I don't know, it's one of those that, you know, do I keep, do I not keep? But I will offer this in my shop. And thank you so much for viewing. I hope this has given you some inspiration. And also, please subscribe and see what else I'm going to be doing. Right now, I'm working on a project called the House of Tags, so you might be interested in seeing that. So thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.